My daily routine and what I am doing on my day off. From Monday to Friday, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. and take a shower. Then I have breakfast and go to university at 7:30 a.m. I study from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I sometimes do my homework and play soccer with my friends. At night, I'll always have dinner with my family and go to bed until p.m. But today is different because I have a day off. I am not going to university. I am relaxing and home right now. I am watching a movie and eating popcorn. Later, I'm going to play video games and rest. It's a fun and relaxing day. Bye.